Wait. May good news tayo. May cruise ship na dito sa Pilipinas yung pagsakay. This is Costa Serena. And for a limited time, it will be sailing from Manila and Subic. Yung first sailing is on September 26 to October 1, 2025. Yes, 5 nights. From Subic, it will sail to Keelung in Taiwan and then to Ishigaki, which is part of Okinawa Prefecture in Japan. So yes, you'll get to visit 2 countries sa isang trip lang. Then on October 1 to 7 naman, 6 nights naman yan, from Manila magsisail to Naha, yan yung capital ng Okinawa, and then to Ishigaki, sa Okinawa rin yan, then back to Manila. The best part, no visa needed. Kahit sa Japan, hindi kasi talaga kailangan ng visa sa Japan kung cruise ship passenger ka na arriving and departing on the same ship. Meron lang $10 na Japan tourist arrival fee. Sa Taiwan naman, hindi naman talaga natin kailangan ng visa. And dahil nga dito sa Manila or Subic ang port of embarkation, hindi nyo na kailangang mag-book pa ng flight to another city. Kasi di ba most cruises dito sa Asia ay sa Hong Kong, Singapore, or sa Shanghai naka-home port. Doon kayo sasakay. Pero dito, no flights needed. Punta ka lang sa port, Subic man yan or Manila, board the ship, and sail away to Taiwan and Japan. As with most cruises, kasama na sa bawat booking ang accommodation, full board meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner yan, and access to most amenities. Actually, nagka-sailing na rin sila dito sa Pilipinas last March, pero we missed it kasi nag-sold out agad. So this time, wag nyo nang palampasin to. Contact your preferred travel agencies to book your Costa Serena cruise.